In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and host a meeting using Google Meet. Whether you're working from home, managing a team across different locations, or just trying to connect with colleagues or friends, Google Meet offers a seamless platform for all your virtual meeting needs. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your meeting up and running smoothly. To begin with, the first step in scheduling your meeting is to create an event in Google Calendar. This step forms the foundation for everything else, as your calendar event will be the home base for your meeting details. Access your Google Calendar and navigate to your desired date. Here, you'll be opening a new event page ready to be filled with essential meeting information. Next, you'll need to enter a title alongside selecting the appropriate date and time for your meeting. The title should be descriptive enough so all participants understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. Similarly, be sure to choose a date and time that accommodates all your invitees. That way everyone can join without scheduling conflicts. Now let's move on to adding your guests. You can do this by entering their names or email addresses in the designated section. This ensures that everyone intended to attend receives an invitation. Remember, the more accurately you input this information, the easier it will be for invitees to access the meeting without hassles. Once you've got your guests sorted, the next step is to click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This action is crucial as it generates the video conference link your guests will use to join the meeting. It's a straightforward step that can be easily overlooked, so double check to ensure this link has been added alongside your event details. When your event information looks good, you're ready to click Save. Doing this not only finalizes your meeting in Google Calendar, but also sets the stage for notifying your guests. Now, let's inform your guests. Click Send, which triggers invitations to be dispatched right away. These invitations arrive via email and include all the crucial information your guests need, like the date, time, and the Google Meet link. Finally, make sure to share the meeting link or ID with all participants. While the invitation emails usually contain this information, sharing it through different channels like a group chat or company communication tool can be handy, especially for last-minute joiners. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to scheduling and hosting your meeting using Google Meet. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to set up and manage meetings effectively and ensure everyone gathers virtually without a hitch. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you foster good communication in your personal and professional interactions.